In this video, we are going to study about Chapter 3, Database Part 2, MySQL. Here we are going to talk about MySQL. It is an RDBMS application. So before going to RDBMS, first we have to know what is database. You should learn the definition. What is a database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data stored electronically in a computer system. This is required. And also you see the full form of RDBMS. This is Relational Database Management System, and also few examples of RDBMS. Few examples will be MySQL, MS Access, etc. Like MS Access, it is an RDBMS application. Also MySQL is an RDBMS application. Aru jodi khude which is the most popular RDBMS application, then you will write it is MySQL. Tarpisot next question ahibo, who create MySQL? This one you will write these three persons' name: Michael Windenius, David X. Marks, and Alan Larson. And on which year MySQL was created? It is 1995. These parts are important for examination point of view. And after that, this is also important. MySQL name comes after co-founder's daughter, Michael Windenius. Tarpisot next question, etu question thakibo 3 বা 4 marks kane. Why MySQL is becoming so popular? Ba what are the features of MySQL? Give some reason. Etu question kane ebilak answer hobo pare. So first point you can write MySQL is released under an open source license. So we have to pay nothing to use it. Then we can write next point also. MySQL is a very powerful program in its own right. This much will be enough. Then we can write this one. MySQL works very fast and support large databases. Aru eta point lage. So tar kane ami etu point likhibo paru. MySQL works on many operating system and with many languages. So yellow dibo paru. So ekita points likhile etu question hoi jabo answer. Tarpisot ahil type of MySQL command. Etu long question karone important hoy. Long question means 5 marks or 4 marks. Question will be like that, explain different types of MySQL command. But what are the different type of MySQL command? Explain each of them. But list the different type of MySQL command. So if it is come for 1 mark, then you can write just this line. There are 5 type of MySQL command: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. If it comes for 4 or 5 marks, then you have to explain its points. First, ami aho DDL. DDL means data definition language. DDL changes the structure of the table, like creating a table, deleting a table, altering a table, etc. Ehini likhiba. Likhiyar pasot dutaman example diba. Like here are some command that comes under DDL. You can write at least 2 command. But I will suggest you to see all the commands, because sometimes it gives in MCQ, like it will come like that. Create is an this type of command. Option will be like DDL, DML, DCL. So tumaluke jodi jana, then you can easily write it is DDL. Tarpisot ahile DML. DML okane ekhini likhile choli jabo. MySQL command, the DML command are used to modify the database, and some commands under DML are, you will write insert, update, and delete. After that, DCL commands are used to grant and take back authority from any database user, and some DCL commands are grant and revoke. After that, TCL command, this one This you can write TCL commands can only use with DML command like insert, delete and update. And some TCL commands commit, rollback and save point. Means TCL command আমি use কৰিব লাগিলে এইকেইটা commandৰ লগতে use কৰিম, otherwise will not use it. Like insert means while we are adding data into the table, while we are deleting data from the table, and while we are updating some information. At that time we use these three commands: commit, rollback and save points. Then comes the last one, DQL. This one we will write this one. It is used to fetch data from the database, and the commands are select, then show and help. After that, starting MySQL, this part is not required. Then from here, this is important. Which command is used to see the version of MySQL? It will be select version. Question will be, which command is used to know the version of MySQL you are working with? Answer will be select version. After that, this will be the command. Question will be this one. Which command is used to view the existing database on the MySQL server? The answer will be show databases. মানে কোনটো কমান্ডৰ থ্ৰু দি আমি অলৰেডি MySQL থকা ডাটাবেস কেটা চাব পাৰো. Answer is show databases. After that, creating database, it will be question will be which command is used to create a new database. So to create a new database in MySQL, we use create database, and this bracket part no need to write. After that, database name. Okay, create database, then database name. Or jodi question eneke die write the MySQL command to create a database with name school, then the answer will be create database school. After that, semicolon. Like this way, create database school. After that, selecting the database, question will be, which MySQL command is used to select the current database, or which MySQL command activate the database? It will be use database name. Suppose if the database is school, then the command is use school. After that, removing a database. Removing means delete kora. Removing database means delete the database physically. This part is for fill in the blanks, important. Physically to dash di dibo pare. Removing database means delete the database physically. The entire data and related all the objects inside the database are deleted permanently. Therefore, you must be careful while you are deleting. It is the which command is used to delete our database. You will write drop database, then database name. If the question comes like that, write the MySQL command to delete the database name school. So the answer will be drop database school. After that will come MySQL data types. A table in a database consists of many fields with specific data types, such as numeric, string or data. The data type can be determined. A two question already exercise or ase. Which point should be followed to determine the type of data? A duta point hobo number of byte it takes and kind of value it represents. And name different types of data supported in MySQL. Answer hobo numeric, string or date. These three data types are supported in MySQL. And each category vidot subcategory ase. which are not that important, like numeric or ভিতৰত আহিব integer, small integer, float, double, string or ভিতৰত আহিব character, worker, text, then date or ভিতৰত আহিব date, year, then এইবিলাক আহিব date, year, date, time, etc. এটা MySQL table. So I have what is a table, you can write this part. A table consists of rows and columns. Are yet it too important hoy? The number of rows denotes cardinality of the table and the number of column denotes degree of the table. Number of rows, that means kimanta record ase hetu cardinality boli kowa hoy, aru number of columns means kimanta field ase, jimanta field thake hetu table khonor degree hobo. Suppose I have a table, I have only this information, roll number, name and marks. I have 3 columns, so the degree of the table will be 3. And this is also important for 5 mark question, rules for naming a table. Rules are already small, you can learn all the rules, so you can run all the rules. So yet 5 marks or 3 question ahi gol. Eta ahile like the different categories of the MySQL commands. So this will be for maybe for 4 or 5 marks. Rules for naming a table, this is also maybe for 4 or 5 marks. And this one, what are the features of MySQL, or why do we use MySQL? This is also before 4 or 5 marks. So from these 3 questions anyone will be sure come in examination. So better if you see all 3 questions. After that, creating a table, this come how do you create table in MySQL? It come like this and give you 2 marks or 3 marks. You will write this. In order to create table, we use create table command in MySQL. In create table command, each field of the table is defined with 3 attributes: name of the field, data type and the size of the field. After that, you give an example like create table. This if exists, no need to write. Then table name, column name, data type, size, not null. This one example we can give. Okay, then yet tinta attribute je ase tinta kako explain kora hoise. Column name mane column tur naam hobo, not null eketa constraint hoy, etu amak kobo je table tor particular field tor data required hoy ne nohoy. Then primary key, that means etu amak kobo etu particular field to unique hoy ne nohoy. Tarpisot ahile constraint mane rules. Eta table jeti ami data entry koru, suppose date of birth ase, eta date of birth jodi ami rules nologao, kisumane date to like aji date to 2/3/24 likhibo, kisumane likhibo 2/3/2024, kisumane eneke likhibo pare 2nd March 2024. so hokole beleg type of entry koribo pare. So hokole jete eta type of data entry kore aru jete kisman restriction thake, like name ot moi restriction likhisu, name to start alphabet di hobo lage, eneke type of restriction bilakor kane ami constraint use koru. Already MySQL ot constraint kisman constraint ase, tar bhitor popular geta hol primary key define kore unique values in a field, not null etu amak particular field to value enter kora required hoy ne nohoy etu detect kore. Not null means the field cannot be empty, the field must contain some values. Tarsot foreign key, it is used to relate one table to another. Unique, that information should be in unique, enum, set, ebilak ase, ebilak hol kisuman constraint in MySQL table. Yet tumalokok null and not null or difference khodibo pare. Not null, you will write not null constraint tell us that we cannot store a null value in a column, and null constraint or likhiba null constraint, it's tell us that we can skip the value of that particular column, or we can enter a null value for that particular column. Then primary key, a primary key is a field which can uniquely identify its record in a table. And what is constraint? Constraint are some rules that help to ensure the validity of data while entering data in a table. Name some constraint. These are primary key, not null, foreign key, etc. তাৰপাছত আমি আহো next question লৈ displaying the structure of table. Question will be write the SQL command to display the complete information about the field in a table of student. The answer will be describe or DESC student. Here student is the name of the table. Then inserting data in a table. For inserting data in a table we use insert. To add data in a table we use insert command. Okay, when a table is created it is empty structure, and to add data in a table we use insert command. And for example this way we will write insert into values, then the values. And to view all the records in a table we use this one, select star from, then the table name. Suppose the question is write the MySQL command to view all the information from the employee table, then the answer will be select star from employee. After that we'll come to this one, changing the structure of a table, alter commands. What is the use of alter command, what type of things you can do using alter command, or what are the function of alter command. This will be the answer. The alter command is used to modify the structure of an existing table. With the command we can, these are the points, add or delete columns, changing the data type of existing column, rename, delete, and add or delete primary key or not null constraints. তাৰপিছত এইবিলাক modify constraint কিবা কিবি আছে, এইবিলাক স্পেচিয়েলি যেটো MySQL 5 মাৰ্কছৰ কোৱেশ্চন থাকিব, কোডিংৰ কোৱেশ্চন, তাৰ কাৰণে ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয়, তাৰ বাহিৰে ইমান এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট নহয়. বাট ইউ কেন সি use of alter command, then use of modify command, etc. This is important. How can you rename a table, or yat eneke ahibo pare, write the MySQL command to rename a table. This I will give separately these questions. Dropping command. Dropping means destroying a column or delete a column. Then destroying a table. The syntax to destroy a table is drop table, then the table name. Like suppose we have to delete student table, then the command will be drop table student. And then eduta important hoy, like first question to etut question eneke thakibo, write the MySQL command to add primary key to the field roll number in student table. That answer will be like that way, alter table, add primary key, roll number. Aru eta question thakibo pare, write the MySQL command to remove primary key from the student table. The answer will be like this way, alter table, yate table name or jagat ami likhim student, then drop primary key. Jetia ami add koru column to naam mention koribo lage, aru jetia ami remove koru column or naam mention koribo na lage. The reason is because one table can have only one primary key, so we no need to tell the MySQL server which one should be deleted, as there is just one primary key, so it can delete it easily. Then select command. What is the use of select command? The select command is used to retrieve 0 or more values in a table. And what are the different ways to retrieve data from a table? This tree will be select column, all rows, select rows, all columns, select columns, selected rows. Then after that this one, what is the where clause? This one, to retrieve data from a table in a specific condition we use where clause. It is important hoy. Question will be, what is the use of where clause and with which statement we use it? We will write where clause is used to retrieve data on a specific condition, and it is always used with select command, or it is used with select command. After that, eliminating duplicates values, it is distinct. To display only unique values, distinct clause is used. This is also important. After that, retrieving all data, this is already there. Pattern matching ot eduta important. Name to wildcard characters, percentage sign and underscore sign. Also their uses, percentage signs means it's finding a match with any number of length including 0 length. Aru underscore, it finding a match with any single character. Like if we write percentage symbol, suppose I am writing a percentage, means নামটো array start hobo tar pisot any number of characters thabo. So even if we get a in the table, it will show the result as found. But if we write a underscore, that means a pasot aru eta character thakibo lagibo. If we get only a, it will not shown on the result. But if I get a, b, c, then also it will be not shown on the result because there will be 3 characters. After that, range, it will be important. The between clause is used to search data within a range. And the format is select star from student where total marks between 350 and 450. That means 350 or 450 ভিতৰত যিমানখিনি marks আছে, that particular marks খিনি display hobo. Working with operators, these operators to already paisai. So yato some enake MySQL ot ami operator mainly egita command logot use kuru, insert, update and delete. Then relational operator, this also you already got in C language. This only. Logical operator, there are 3 logical operator, and or not. And C program ot ami logical operator kitak symbol hisabe use kuru, but yat ami directly spelling ot use korim. Aru operator kitar use, and operator ki hobo duta condition e true hole ami result to pam, or operator any eta condition true hole result pam, not ot ami opposite to pam. Tar pisot ahile storing data in a table. Sorting data in a table. Jodi khude what is sorting and which clause is used to sort the data. So we'll write sorting data for arranging data in a large database. Sorting can be done in MySQL by order by clause. And order by clause is used only with select command. And to sort, DES is for descending, C for ascending. This much is important. After that, deleting data. Yate eta question ahibo pare. What is the use of delete command? The delete command delete the rows that were satisfy the condition in the where clause and return the number of records deleted. Delete all rows, that means delete all the rows from the student data. Deleted specific row means delete all the rows that satisfy a condition. Tarpisot update command e ki koribo? The update command is used to change or modify the values in a table. This is different from modify clause because alter table command, which is used to change the data type and constraint of existing column in a table, where update statement update the specified column in every row exist in the table. This will be for 2 questions. This answer the first part, what is the use of update command. Our next part to that this is different. This part to hobo write the difference between update and alter table command. Tar pisot ahile aggregate or group function. What is group function boli kole? Group functions are in MySQL. Aggregate or group functions are applied on a group of values as input and return a single value as result. Name some group function. You will write this sum, max, min, etc. Yar bhitor ei duta important hoy count aru count star. Countot ki kore jekita number jekita cell ot column ot values ase hekita cell he count koribo. Count star e table to jimanta row ase gotekita row count koribo. like suppose এটা row empty বা null values আছে সেই particular row to count star দিলে count হ'ব but অকল count দিলে null values থাকা row কেইটা count নকৰিব. So these are the some important questions or important topics which is required for your examination from chapter 3 MySQL. I hope you have understood. And some practical related questions, coding related questions which come for 5 marks, like creating table and writing command. This we'll discuss in some other video. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.